Good morning, respected committee members and fellow participants. My name is Aldian Nur Cahyo, and together with my co-authors, I'm honored to present our work titled Hybrid Model for SLA-Oriented Material Allocation using CAPSEC algorithm and random forest. This study was conducted in collaboration with PTCR, Surabaya Industrial Estate Rungkut, and we are presenting it here at ICISS 2025. The background and problem statement in the PTCR's material allocation is still handled manually with spreadsheets. As a result, SLA fulfillment is only around 63%, far below the industry benchmark of 95%. This manual approach leads to inefficiency, human error, and inconsistency. These challenges highlight the need for a smarter system that can improve efficiency, reduce SLA branches, and provide reliable and real-time decision supports. For the research gap and motivation, in previous study, we have typically focused on only one side of the SLA challenge. Some work apply machine learning models such as random forest, SVM, XGBoost, or deep learning to predict SLA valuation, but they stop at prediction and do not allocate a resource based on those predictions. Other works use optimization techniques such as CAPSEC, generic algorithms, linear programming, or reinforcement learning to allocate resources, but without incorporating SLA risk prediction. So the gap is clear. SLA prediction and allocation are treated separately. This study addresses that the gap by proposing a hybrid decision support system that combines SLA risk prediction using the bounded CAPSEC algorithm tailored for SLA constrained industrial context like PTCR. Our objective are straightforward. We aim to predict SLA violation risk using random forest optimized allocation with the bounded CAPSEC algorithm and ultimately deliver higher efficiency, stronger SLA compliance, and fairer loss bias decision making. Methodology. Our research follow the design research methodology adapted to PTCR's industrial context. In the preparation phase, we identify pain points in SLA fulfillment through field observation and stakeholder interview, then build a theoretical foundation from prior studies. Based on this, random forest was selected for SLA risk classification to aid robustness with imbalanced service data, and a bounded 0-1 CAPSEC model was chosen for material allocation under strict capacity constraint. These were translated into user stories and relational database SIM to enable real-time integration. In the system development phase, we implement a modular architecture with 5 components: a Vue.js front-end, Python Flash back-end, random forest SLA risk classifier, bounded CAPSEC optimizer, and MySQL databases. The optimizer used a greedy heuristic to ensure fast real-time decision making, while the RF classifier was tuned to achieve an FWAS score of 0.88. This hybrid design enables SLA-aware, data-driven allocation decision tailored to PTCR's operational environment. This is the system architecture. Our system adopts the modular architecture consisting of 5 integrated models. First, a Vue.js front-end allow planners and technicians to submit and track service tickets. Second, a Flash backend API execute business logic and coordinates communication across modules. Third, a random forest classifier predict the risk of self-evaluation of each incoming ticket. Fourth, a CAPSEC optimization engine leverage RF risk scores and inventory constraint to generate allocation plans. Finally, a centralized MySQL databases stores ticket history, SLA metric, allocation result, and inventory records. In operation, ticket entered through the front-end processes by the back-end, score for SLA risk by the RF classifier, and then passed to CAPSEC module for optimized material allocation. Results are stored in the database and made available for real-time monitoring. The RF classifier was tuned to address class imbalance, while a CAPSEC optimizer employ a greedy heuristic to ensure rapid reallocation under resource constraints. Now is result and discussion. For the SLA risk prediction performance, we evaluate the random forest model across 5 experimental runs using historical ticket data. The model consistently achieved precision recall and F1 score above 0.84. This demonstrates that the classifier is robust and generalizable across different data conditions. High precision ensure urgent tickets are truly urgent, while high recall ensure that the most SLRs are captured. Together, this validates the model reliability for real-world SLRs prediction. For the material allocation efficiency, the CAPSEC-based optimizer was tested on 200 service requests. Compared to manual allocation, the automated system reduced average request time for 6 minutes to just 1.5 minutes, a 75% improvement. SLA violation dropped from 16% to 4%, and human error was reduced from 50% to only 2%. The system consistently outperformed manual planning across all metrics, making decisions faster, more accurate, and more consistent. For material resource allocation, to assess resource utilization, we conducted the 5 simulation scenario under varying stock and request constraints. On average, manual allocation achieved only 54% utilization, while our hybrid system improved this to 76%, 22% increase. This improvement shows that the system not only speed up allocation, but also make better use of available materials, ensuring that high priority requests are satisfied under resource limitation. For the system evaluation and user feedback, beyond technical performance, we also test functionality and user acceptance. System module passed functionality and integration testing. In user acceptance testing, 89% of operational staff reported higher accuracy, faster response times, and reduced effort compared to spreadsheets. Importantly, 7 out of 8 participants confirmed that the system was ready to replace the existing manual method. Users especially valued random forest interpretability, since feature important made the system more transparent and trustworthy. The practical implications: this hybrid system delivered tangible operational improvement. SLA compliance improved by 75%, while decision latency, human bias, and planning errors were significantly reduced. The system automates prioritization and allocation, ensuring high consistency and accuracy. Most importantly, it is ready for real-time deployment with stream processing for incoming ticket, dynamic reoptimization, and asynchronous API integration. These features make the system not only an academic prototype, but also a practical solution for industrial deployment. In conclusion, our study demonstrates that the combining RF classifier with a bounded 0-1 CAPSEC algorithm is effective for SLA-driven material allocation in fiber optic operation. The system improved efficiency, accuracy, and consistency, and was validated through functional testing and high user acceptance, with most users agreeing it can replace manual spreadsheet. For future work, we plan to benchmark random forest against model like SVM, XGBoost, newer assemble or a hybrid approach, while also exploring reinforcement learning for dynamic allocation and LSTM for SLA trend prediction. We also aim to integrate the system with ARP platform for end-to-end planning and validate its scalability across broader domains such as logistics and electronics manufacturing. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you clear insight to our work. I would be happy to take any questions. If you like to connect further, here's my email and phone number. I look forward to your feedback and discussion. Thank you.